So here we have a Metro Maryland Sports Complex deadhead. He's hanging off Officers Caucus. We have 5 minutes. They're playing now in Elbow, playing Gran Turismo right now. So this is the train heading to Maryland. Alright, so here we have, so we got an ALP 45DP on the rear. The Commerce 5 is getting ready off to train number 2127 for Spring Valley. And the Comet 4s. We had the Comet 4s right here, so that was brewed in 1996. It's been 25 years since we will notify the Comet 2 and the Comet 1B were all retired. So I'm spotting here the light rail. So this is a Comet 4, which is a build from Bombardier in 1996. And we have the Comet 5s up there, which is in the rear. So here we have a light rail standing by. It's getting running off for the Hudsonbergen light rail. We got the Comet 4 sitting with the open door. We got a ready to depart for 8th Street. We got a helicopter. So this train is ready departing until 4:57. So this train is ready to get off, going to the 8th Street now.